1,
One,
2,
don't get brain freeze.
3.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Shan, and I'm back again with another video. But before I get right into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and turn on that post notification bell so each time I post a video, you are notified. You can check out our next channel at Shani Blog. We have a lot of content over there, people. So check it out, like, comment, share as well. Turn on that post notification bell so each time we post a video, you are notified. Remember to check out my daughter's channel at Juniel Thompson, Juniel Thompson. Visit my Instagram page at Shan907. So we'll be doing the ice cream eating challenge. This is my daughter's idea. I didn't want to do it with her, but she says she is willing to do so. She says she wants to do it. So guys, stay tuned to see who win. Anybody will eat a cup of ice cream first, they are the winner. Stay tuned.
Hey guys.
So, we are doing the ice cream eating challenge. Stay tuned. Tell we are who win. No teeth in around here. No teeth.
Not because you're our fans, honestly.
So after 3,
1,
1,
2,
don't get brain freeze.
3.
3, please don't. That was not bad. Do not want it for money. Hey baby, want some?
Look there. I look there.
You're not ready for this yet.
I already.
Don't get brain freeze. I'm not getting nothing. Hello? Do not go on bad man. Don't forget man. Oh God.
Oh, my God, we stand the go. We got body.
Hello. People, hey, cool. Why you my brain freeze? But now what do that? But now I'm gonna make it happen.
If I did cookie and cream, it doesn't faster. Cup show.
Excuse me. What am I speaking? Stay near one alien, man. The challenge is bad.
That was enjoyable and tasty. So let me know your cup. There's no baby school them there.
Alright, do what I said. I said we win. They're school, but that we're going.
Okay.
It's a waste man, they lose. Don't do that.
No, yes. I don't mind losing.
I have a no man losing.
I don't
You
mind.
said me, I went in up.
No, it's not that. I don't
Man,
mind.
make it waste, you know.
I don't mind losing because at least I still enjoy myself.
I get free ice cream. Well, me have to go pay for. Here we sit there.
Hi. Free hands, mommy. I just shot one.
You see my teeth, me?
I didn't. I was like this. Okay, we know. You're done. But right now, I do that. It got narrow.
It knows. Look first, look people. It's finished. I won. Me win. Oh, babe. Tana money.
Me not for money spicy things. Me not for money school.
Tana money. So she don't want to do the things that she don't know.
Whatever.
Go on with herself, you know, people.
Whatever.
Yeah, me know my mind, no? Me now watch it because the fittest are going to survive today.
What happened to the other spicy
Don't
challenge?
worry, we're going to do that. So she'll dig in the ice cream like say, yeah, me got this. Yeah, me know my mind, no?
Whatever.
Yeah, me know my mind, no? I am the fittest. Don't worry. Man, don't make you baby jumping on Jody.
I the hottest spicy. I know to manage hot things, but I don't know about manage cold. Nope.
Don't worry. I won. So I'm the champion, people. What wanna say? Start the things.
Say you are the loser.
Baby, mommy won. Your mother won, sister.
Come, get up on my side, favor. Come on my side.
Alright, people. Finish.